Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Talktalk router. Firstly, plug the micro filter into your phone socket, and if your wall socket doesn't have two separate ports, connect the gray DSL cable, one end to the micro filter and the other end to the DSL port. Now plug the power adapter into the router and the wall socket. Switch it on and wait for a few minutes. The broadband light should turn solid, not blinking. This might take up to 5 minutes. You have two options. Wi-Fi. Find the network name and password on the sticker underneath your router, then connect through your device's Wi-Fi settings. Or you can use Ethernet. Now open a browser and visit any website to test it if you're online. If you're not, wait for a few more minutes or try restarting the router. And done, your Talktalk router should now be up and running. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.